Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve the expression 5 minus 5 bracket 9 divide 3. This looks simple, but still many people fail to solve it because they solve it like this: 5 minus 5 0 and 9 divided by 3 is 3 and 0 times 3 is 0, which is the incorrect answer, because the right approach to solve this type of mathematical expression is to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule. Here, this gives us the priority to solve the questions. First, you have to solve the parenthesis if given, then exponent, then multiplication, division, both have same priority, then addition and subtraction. So here parenthesis, this bracket, so 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now write the left out terms, 5 minus 5, and if there is no symbol between the number and the bracket, you have to put multiplication. Now two operations are left, that is multiplication and subtraction. So as per this PEMDAS rule, we have multiplication and subtraction. So we have to give priority to multiplication. So multiplication is sign is in between 5 and 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. So what is left? 5 minus 15, which is equals to 10, but it's negative 10. So what is the correct answer? Negative 10. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So when you take a right approach, you will always reach at right answer. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.